So today we're gonna review Boomerang Coast to Coaster at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. So this is not a new review. The video got taken down because of a mistake. Unfortunately, it was a POV from someone, and I couldn't really get a POV because it's really illegal. It's the ride operator's fault. They wouldn't let me film on the ride, so I couldn't have my own POV. But again, this is not a new review. This is a completely re-uploaded video. So again, my apologies for that. But I don't have my own time to film my own off-ride footages, so don't get mad at me. I'm always in a hurry when I go to theme parks. Anyway, with that being said, we are going to review Boomerang Coast to Coaster at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. So as you leave the station, you will actually recline backwards to your incline reverse lift hill. So then you'll be climbing there backwards for a couple of minutes until you reach the top. So then you'll be able to look towards you the massive Cobra roll. So when you're going up the backwards incline lift hill out of the station, you'll then take a few minutes to take a breather before you drop 116 feet in the air. So you'll then keep on going until you cross to the top. So then there you go. You will then drop that 116 feet tall spike. You'll then enter this massive Cobra roll. You get whipped out of your seat, and then you'll go to your vertical loop, and then you will then hit the spike again, 116 feet, and then you will climb a little bit to the top, and then you will fall backwards. You will then suddenly fall backwards, and you'll do it all over again, the loop and the Cobra roll, but in reverse. You're doing it backwards, and then you will then fly by the station, and then you will go up that 116 feet tall spike once again, and then you are in the station. So it's a pretty short ride. So I had a great time on this coaster, but my only complaint about this coaster is that when I rode this thing, when I was going backwards on the incline lift hill, I was like almost falling out of my seat. I don't know, it felt very loose. So like, it was really terrifying because I would really actually die on this coaster. So, I mean, if I could have fallen, I would be dead by now. So, even if this, that restraint, over-shoulder restraint really tried to secure me, I tried to hold on for dear life, but I was slipping off the train. I'm like, oh no, I'm gonna die. And then, especially if it goes through these inversions, I was like gonna completely fall off. So that just kind of bugs me. It kind of scares me, that I was gonna fall out of the coaster. But I'm not gonna lie, it was still a pretty fun roller coaster. So for its final score, I'm gonna give this coaster a 6. I would have rated higher if I didn't have to fall out of the seat, but it was like trying to fall out of the seat, so I'm giving it a lower score. So that's the reason why I'm giving it a 6. Now, it wasn't only me for falling out of the seat. Like I said, it would have been a higher score. But I like the color scheme on this thing. It really pops. It's really nice, that teal and yellow. It's a really nice color scheme on the coaster. And so, yeah. So, again, very sorry for the copyright strike because, they don't allow POVs, so I can't do my own. And then for the off-ride, I'm always in a hurry, so I couldn't do off-ride footages on the coasters. So, my apologies there. But it's a fun ride. So let me know what you think about Vekoma Boomerang here, the Boomerang Coast to Coaster. Do you guys enjoy it? Do you guys hate it? So post your comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.